Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton and today I'm back with another video doing a quick and easy install using this clear lace bob wig that I received from XrsBeauty. I did install this wig in a middle part and a side part. I wanted to go ahead and start off by showing you guys the clear lace that is 100% transparent and brand new. So let's go ahead and get started with this install. I'm back with another video. You know what I really hate? But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying. So hopping right in with the unboxing, XrsBeauty sent the wig to me in this box. It came in about 4 days, really fast shipping, and the wig was inside of this bag. It was packaged really well. It came with the wig cap. It also came with this wide tooth comb for detangling, and last but not least, it came with this double-ended toothbrush that also has like a glue stick side, and there was this adjustable strap that came with the wig as well. And really neat, they sent some flexi rods. Even though this hair was kind of too short to use these, I'll still use them in the future. And they also wanted me to showcase this new clear lace. It's real clear lace, undetectable on your head, and they also have a clean hairline on the wig, which makes the wig look a lot more natural than a regular pre-plucked hairline. Here is what that looked like on my hand with some got to be spray, so you guys can see this is the same lace from the wig and it's very transparent. Hopping in with the installation, I literally took this wig straight out the box. I didn't pluck it, I didn't bleach the knots or dye it or anything, and this is what the inside of the wig looks like. This is a 13x4 lace frontal with 3 clips and an adjustable strap, and also the elastic band clippies if you guys want to put the optional elastic band. I did put this wig on the tightest setting, but I wish that I put that elastic band that came with it on, because the lace was a little bit large for my head. It kind of started to wrinkle up. But yeah, so as you guys just saw, I went ahead and put some foundation powder on the lace and my wig cap, and I also decided to cut the back of the lace. I didn't need that. The wig was honestly very seamless. Only thing I really wish I did was wear a lighter wig cap underneath, because the brown kind of started to show once I switched the positioning of my wig from a middle part to a side part. So yeah, I'm installing it with the middle part, but as you guys can see, the intro and the end of this video is going to be me with the side part, which was after my reinstall. So I would recommend wearing a light wig cap, if not do a ball cap method. Also, since this wig was a little bit bigger than my head, I just decided to cut the lace into sections before gluing it with my Bond Baby glue. I did 2 layers for each of the 3 sections, and then I proceeded to blow dry it for about 15 to 20 seconds on warm air. And once I did that second layer, I went ahead and pressed the lace down on my scalp. And so I just repeated this process for each of the 3 sections, doing 2 layers of Bond Baby, which is more than enough. This bond is very, very sticky. And then I used another product after, which you guys are going to see in a second. So after securing that last section of lace around the perimeter, I used my elastic band and I wrapped it around my head to secure the lace before cutting it, just to ensure that the glue was completely bonded and didn't lift up. Here I am cutting the lace off of each section. Now you couldn't tell that the wig was too big with the middle part, but anyway, I used my Eben Wonder lace spray on top afterwards, and then I went ahead and blow dried that again, and then I started sectioning off my hair to do the baby hair. But before I did that, I went in with some more of that spray and then use my blow dryer to make sure everything was completely dry. So then I took this small razor and I just started to cut off the longest part of the edges in the front before I started to slick them down. And then I used some more foundation powder on the lace to make it look a little bit more natural. Since I didn't do any plucking or bleaching, this just helped to make it look a lot more natural around the hairline. So yeah, they do say that the clean hairline looks better than pre-plucked, but I did just decide to pluck around the hairline a little bit more to make it look just a bit more realistic. And then I took my pressing comb and kind of just used the hard part to push the hairline back some and just make it look more natural and make it look more flat and seamless. Also, I forgot to mention that this wig was 12 inches. If I honestly had somebody to help me cut the back of my head, I would have cut this hair just a little bit more shorter because I like shorter bobs, but it still looked good. And here I am just putting some oil and also some edge control around the perimeter to just make the hair look even better. Also guys, I probably plucked this hair for like a total of 5 minutes, so don't watch me doing this and get discouraged if you're somebody that is a beginner and doesn't know how to pluck. I honestly only did this just to make the hairline look a little bit more flat, but you don't have to know how to do that to wear this wig. I feel like this is a pretty beginner friendly wig because it is really tight, especially if you do put the elastic band. And here I am just customizing the baby hair and the edges. I decided to do a lot of baby hair and big edges, and I was gonna say I was just in the mood, but I'm always in the mood for big edges and big baby hair. You don't have to do baby hair or edges, it's 100% optional, but LA girl like me, you gotta do the baby hair. Come on girl. I've also recently just been feeling like the backward edges slash baby hair, so if you guys have been seeing me do this recently in my hair reviews, I just been feeling it. So this was the first look with the middle part. I actually think I like the middle part a lot better. Only thing, I just wish that I stretched out the lace a little bit more so that it laid more flat and didn't wrinkle, but I didn't see this off camera. Comment down below if you guys like the middle part or the side part more. And this was the final look with the side part. I actually liked it more when I buffed my ends outwards, but don't forget guys, this is XrsBeauty and this is their 12-inch clear lace bob wig. I definitely recommend because the lace is so clear and transparent, so I would give this wig a 8 out of 10 overall. I just wish it was a little bit smaller, but it was flat, seamless. Shout out to XrsBeautyHair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.